Making the most out of freeze panes in Business Central can assist you in actually being able to see and remember what information you're looking at, particularly on pages with a lot of data. For example, here on the items page, when I've got multiple things open, I might find it useful in my cogwheel and going down to personalize to set a freeze pane via this red triangle here and set freeze pane over the description column so that when I'm using the page now, everything behind that freeze pane stays on the screen when I scroll, so I can always see which item I'm referring to. It's often forgotten that you can also do this as well on any sales and purchase documents or other similar pages. The same process, cogwheel, personalize, then I can hover over a column in my lines area, hit the red triangle, set freeze pane, and everything behind it will now stay to the left, making the system a bit more comfortable for myself to use in a way that suits me.